container holds wood, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, words are indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include West Chester, Norristown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Westtown, Allentown, Coxsackie, Kentler, Kennett Square, Collinsville, Oxford, Royersford, Parkersburg, Trapp, West Grove, Honey Brook, Elverson, and Glen Roy. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 300 and 338. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 26. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 334. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, and Montgomery.